Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Docker on Linux. So first of all we will go into browser and we will see how to do it on the official Docker's website. So I will launch my Firefox and we will wait a bit, and right there we have to type in Docker for Linux. I will press enter. And right now, I have this site, install Docker desktop on Linux, so I have to click on it. And right there, we have the distributions that we can install our Docker. I am using Ubuntu, so I use Ubuntu. If you are using Debian, Fedora, Arch or something else, you can use the another one and follow the steps in the another one instructions. So, I am on Ubuntu, so I will press on it. And right there. First of all, we need to make sure that we need to read the system requirements and we will make sure that we meet them. The second one is the Ubuntu version, at least 22.04, and we need to make sure that we have the GNOME terminal, because we will paste some comments into it. And right now, we will install it by using the apt repository. So I will press on the apt repository, and right now I have to first of all run this following command to uninstall all conflicting packages. This is very important because we need to make sure that our installation will be fully successful. So I will paste that. So paste, press enter, and of course I will type in my password. As you can see, for me nothing happens, but for you it might, so it's better to paste that. It don't take a lot of time. So right now we have to install this using the apt repository, and first of all we need to set up the apt repository. But before it, we need to make sure that we have our kernel installed, because without it we might have an error. So I will do something like this. So as you can see, my kernel is not installed by typing in this command. So sudo apt install and kernel, like this. And right now I have to wait a bit. Right now it will be installed. As you can see, kernel ---- version, and it is working. How now? We have to of course open again terminal, and what can we do with it? Basically, we could copying and pasting one by one every end each line. For example, we could do something like this: copy this, paste this, and enter. Copy this, paste this, and enter. But it would take a lot of time. So I will create a script, and I will show you how to create a script in order to run these lines all at once, basically by using the one command. So we will create a script. So nano script.sh. sh means script on Linux, so I will press that, and we have our editor. Right now we can copy it by pressing this thing at the top, and we can paste that by pressing the right click on our mouse and paste. As you can see, we have all these things right there. We can basically remove this sudo apt update, it won't be necessary. And how do we save that? We can save that by pressing Ctrl O on the keyboard, enter, and Ctrl X. We save that. Right now we have to add the permission to execute, because we have to execute our script in a sec. We will execute our script in a second. So chmod +X, that means execute, and right now script.sh. I will press enter. And right now we can basically start our script. So again, how to start the script? By pressing basically by typing a // and the script.sh, and I will press enter. Of course I have to add password, and now we can wait for it to be finished. So as you can see, it is finished, and right now we can move on to this part. So basically, install the latest version, we can copy it, and we need to be careful because we might get an error right there. And I will press enter. If we will get an error like this, we have to again run our script because this kernel is basically, I think, this kernel can make some problems, so we can run it again, basically by pressing it like this, and again we can do sudo apt install this command, and right now it is working. So you need to make sure, if you have an error, just run the script again and it will work. So do you want to continue? Yes. And now we can move to the installation of our Docker. So as you can see, you have the progression bar right there. It is almost at the half, so it will not take a lot of time. And as you can see, it is finished. Right now we can make sure that our Docker is installed. You have the command right there, sudo systemctl status docker. So I will type it in, sudo systemctl status docker. As you can see, it is active. If you don't have it active, you can use this command right there. Some systems may have the behavior disabled and will require a manual start, so you can type in sudo systemctl start docker. We don't have to do it because it is started for us, and we have the last command. Verify that the installation is successful by running the hello world image. So sudo docker hello world. It should be like this, but with run, of course. So sudo docker run and hello world. I can press enter. As you can see, unable to find the image, but it will create. And as you can see, we can close that. Hello from Docker. Start to download that newer image for Hello World latest. So everything is working, and that's how you can see set up your Docker. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in the next ones.